If eating more salad feels impossible because chewing through a giant bowl of greens takes forever, this little gadget might completely change that for you. I usually use salad scissors to turn my greens into chopped salads because somehow it makes the volume way easier to eat. But on this trip, I forgot them at home. So I ordered the spring-loaded salad chopper on Amazon, and honestly, I think I might like it even better. Let me show you how it works, and then you can tell me if you want a full comparison between the two. What's interesting about this chopper is that it's made almost entirely of plastic, so there aren't any exposed metal blades to worry about in a travel bag. The serrated edges still work really well though, so you definitely don't want to run your fingers along the edges of them. To use it, you just press down on the spring-loaded handle, and the edges tear through the greens instead of making clean cuts. That's actually helpful for meal prep because torn greens tend to stay fresh looking a little longer. I found this works best in a large mixing bowl with rounded sides. I tried using it in a glass Pyrex dish, and the slippery surface plus the square corners made the greens fly everywhere. A cutting board would probably be even messier. One quick thing to note, even though the package says dishwasher safe, I noticed water getting trapped inside the handle after running it through the dishwasher. I'm personally sticking to hand washing because I don't want the spring inside to rust over time. I've linked both this chopper and the salad scissors that I normally use down in the description below. As an Amazon associate, I may earn from qualifying purchases if you use those links. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.